Have you ever wondered why Alabama has its own unique barbecue sauce? Today, we'll uncover the story behind Alabama's iconic white sauce. Alabama is renowned for its diverse barbecue styles. The hickory smoked pork and chicken are staples, but the state's most distinctive contribution to this culinary landscape is the white sauce. Invented in Decatur, Alabama in 1925 by Bob Gibson, the white sauce is a mayonnaise-based concoction that adds a tangy twist to traditional barbecue. Originally, this vinegar and pepper-forward sauce was used on smoked chicken before it was given a quick finish over the fire. This technique helped keep the meat moist. While southern Alabama favors thick, smoky sauces, northern regions are known for this distinctive white sauce, a reflection of its unique cultural and geographical influences. Today, Alabama white sauce is widely available in grocery stores across the Southeast and beyond. It has even faced challenges like ingredient separation when bottled commercially. Alabama's contribution to barbecue culture goes beyond just flavors. It's a testament to the state's deep-rooted culinary traditions and its innovative approach to classic dishes. So there you have it, Alabama's unique contribution to barbecue. What other regional specialties do you think deserve more recognition? Let me know in the comments.